Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LipMonthly unboxing. This is only $12.95 a month. You get free shipping and you get a bunch of lip products, so it's really a good deal. This is the September 2019 bag. Lips don't lie. So let's take a look. First item just says LipMonthly liquid lipstick. Let me go ahead and open it. The shade is 03 and it is a nice pink. Very pigmented. Cute. So got that. Also have Steve Laurent. And the shade is Bestie. It's always hard for me to get them out of the little boxes. That's a very nice color. This is more my shade. Don't so much do reds or pinks. I like the darker. That one's nice. I like that. Great for fall. Next, we have Dirty Little Secret. Pretty sure we've gotten stuff from them before. This one says Rose Petal. Cute packaging. Little polka dots, and this is, well, it's not the same as the other color, but it's a little similar. Real thick. I like thick lip glosses and lipsticks. And then the last item is by Model Co. and looks like it's a lip liner. Let's see if we get a shade. I'm not sure of the shade, but it does say Illusion Lip Liner on it. I like the lid for it. It has a little sharpener on it. And it looks like it's a nude type color. So very nice. Definitely worth the $12.95 when you get full-size items in here. So if you guys would like to join, you're interested in a subscription, I will leave a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.